Hey tech lovers, Samsung just shocked everyone with their brand new Exynos 2500 chip, and honestly, I didn't see this coming. After years of disappointing chips, Samsung might actually have a winner this time. So what's the big deal? This is their first 3nm chip, and it's going straight into the Galaxy Z Flip 7 launching next month. That's huge, because Samsung is finally confident enough to use their own chip in a global flagship. Now, let's talk speed. The Exynos 2500 has 10 cores versus Snapdragon 8, Elite's 8 cores. But here's the twist. Snapdragon's cores run faster at 4.3 GHz. Early tests show the Exynos is about 15% slower overall, but here's what matters. It's actually faster than other chips in foldable phones. Gaming could be where Samsung wins. They partnered with AMD to create a graphics chip that's supposedly 50% more powerful than before. If that's true, mobile gaming just got way better. The AI performance is impressive too. 59 TOPS compared to Snapdragon's usual 45. That means faster photo processing and smarter features. Look, Samsung has let us down before with overheating and battery issues, but this time feels different. The specs are genuinely competitive, and Samsung is putting their reputation on the line. The real test comes next month with the Z Flip 7 launch. Will Samsung finally deliver a chip that can compete with Qualcomm? I'm cautiously optimistic. What do you think? Ready to give Samsung another chance? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for my full review when the phone launches.